Looking for the best car performance brake that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best car performance brake that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, TRQ car performance brake. This TRQ brake kit is a comprehensive replacement solution, including front and rear ceramic brake pads, plus 2 front and 2 rear brake rotors, making it convenient for refreshing the complete braking system. The direct fit design is intended to match original equipment without modifications, helping reduce installation time and hassle for DIY repairs. TRQ's extensive compatibility references and Amazon Garage fitment confirmation are especially useful for avoiding costly ordering mistakes, while its library of DIY installation videos adds valuable guidance for home mechanics. The ceramic pads are designed for reliable, everyday braking with controlled stopping performance, while the included rotors provide a matched replacement setup. With more than 25 years of experience in replacement parts and a limited lifetime warranty against material and workmanship defects, this kit offers added confidence for long-term ownership. Overall, it's a practical choice for drivers seeking a complete, installation-friendly brake refresh rather than sourcing individual components separately. Next up is Callahan Car Performance Brake. This complete front and rear brake kit is a practical replacement for 1998 to 2002 Ford Crown Victoria, Mercury Grand Marquis, and Lincoln Town car models equipped with steel piston rear calipers. It includes 4 OE replacement rotors, front and rear ceramic brake pads, and the necessary hardware, providing everything needed for a comprehensive brake refresh. The rotors are precision machined and balanced to promote smooth, consistent braking with reduced vibration, helping deliver confident stopping performance during everyday driving. The ceramic pads are designed for dependable friction and durability, while the included rubberized noise-canceling shims help minimize brake squeal for a quieter, more comfortable ride. Built to exceed factory OEM specifications for quality and reliability, this kit combines performance, convenience, and value in one package. For owners maintaining these older full-size vehicles, it's an appealing choice for replacing worn braking components without piecing together separate parts. Always verify the exact vehicle configuration before ordering to ensure proper fitment. Coming in at number 3 is PowerStop Car Performance Brake. This complete front brake upgrade combines 2 Z36 carbon fiber ceramic brake pad sets, 2 drilled and slotted rotors, and installation hardware, offering a convenient direct fit solution for compatible trucks and SUVs. The Z36 pads are engineered to deliver stronger stopping performance than standard replacement pads while maintaining quiet operation and dependable long-term durability, making them well-suited to demanding daily driving and heavier vehicles. The drilled and slotted rotors improve heat dissipation during repeated braking, helping reduce heat buildup and brake fade while supporting consistent stopping performance. Their silver zinc dichromate coating also provides added protection against rust and corrosion, helping preserve the rotor's appearance and durability over time. The included hardware further simplifies installation, while the 36-month/36000-mile limited warranty adds confidence in the overall package. Before purchasing, confirming exact vehicle fitment is essential, and buyers should note that the kit may arrive in multiple boxes. Now number 4, R1 Concepts Car Performance Brake. This R1 Concepts lean front and rear brake rotor set is designed for 2019 to 2022 Genesis G70 and 2018 to 2022 Kia Stinger models, providing a performance-focused upgrade with 4 drilled and slotted rotors in 14.0-inch front and 14.3-inch rear sizes. Constructed from durable G3000 iron, the rotors are engineered for strength, stability, and consistent braking performance. Cross-drilled and diamond-slotted surfaces help improve heat dissipation while supporting smoother, quieter stops and reducing the risk of brake fade during repeated braking. The black finish adds corrosion resistance and a sporty appearance, while direct fit construction based on OEM specifications means no modifications should be required for installation. Overall, This set offers a strong balance of braking performance, durability, and straightforward installation for drivers seeking more capable stopping hardware. A 1-year warranty against manufacturer defects provides additional peace of mind, but exact vehicle fitment should always be confirmed before purchase. And finally, our last pick is Heartbreak's Car Performance Brake. This Heartbreak's front brake kit is a practical replacement for select 2010 to 2015 Chevrolet Camaro models and the 2011 Saab 9-5 with a specified 321mm front disc configuration. It includes 2 drilled and slotted silver rotors plus 4 ceramic brake pads, creating a complete front braking upgrade designed for consistent stopping performance. The cast iron rotors feature cross-drilled and diamond-slotted surfaces that help dissipate heat and support smoother, more controlled braking during repeated stops. The ceramic pads are formulated to produce less dust and noise than conventional options, helping keep wheels cleaner while providing a quieter driving experience. Built to OEM specifications, the direct fit design requires no modifications, making installation more straightforward for compatible vehicles. Overall, this kit offers a strong balance of dependable braking, reduced maintenance, and everyday comfort for passenger cars and light-duty applications. A 1-year manufacturer defect warranty adds extra confidence, but exact fitment should be confirmed before ordering. So those are the top 5 best car performance brake you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.